Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how you can create, share, and manage calendars in HMailPlus Webmail. There are 4 ways to add calendars in HMailPlus Webmail. Option 1. Create a new calendar. Click on the calendar icon at the top bar menu. Click the plus icon next to My Calendars and choose Add New Calendar. Type a name of your calendar, and if you want others in the company to see it, tick Add as Public Calendar. Then add. Option 2, Add by iCal link. To add a calendar from an iCal link, click New Appointments dropdown. Then click Import from URL. Paste the iCal link, then choose Subscribe. Option 3, Import a calendar. To import a calendar file, click Import File from the New Appointments dropdown. Then, Upload File. Give the imported calendar a name and click Import. Your events will be added. Option 4, subscribe to a calendar shared with you. If someone shared a calendar, click Add to Calendar on the shared calendar in your inbox. It will appear in your calendar list. Now, let's look at how to share a calendar. Click the 3-dot icon next to the calendar you'd like to share. Then select Share/Permissions on the dropdown. To invite people via email, select Invited People Only and type their name or email address. Choose the permission level by clicking the dropdown on Invite As, and then click Save. To share a calendar as a link, select anyone with the link and invited people. Then click Copy Link and save. You can send it by email, chat, or text message. For extra security, click the gear icon to set a password or an expiration for your calendar. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.